In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish your articles and why you should do that on Medium. But first, I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So if you are someone who likes to write articles and blog posts, then you can earn money if you publish your articles on Medium and other publication sites as well. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. So if you want to publish your article, I'm going to open one of my drafts here to show you. Then you have to, after you wrote your article, you can publish it if you click on this publish button, and it will be published on Medium. But if you are a partner with other publishers, then you can submit your article there as well, and maybe they will be, your articles will be published on that site. And that is really great, because if you don't know, the Medium pays you regarding the views number and the time spent on your article. And if you publish your article to other publication sites which are partner with Medium, then those views will count, and Medium will pay you regarding those views and time spent as well. So click on the add to publication, and here you can see that I am a writer for other 3 publications, so I can choose to select and to submit my article here as well. But if you are not a partner or you are not a writer for other publications, I'm going to show you how you can become. So first click on your profile, then you can see the publication section. Click on that. Here you can see some publications, and I'm going to show you on one of these how you can become a partner. So for example, here is the Coffee Times. You can see that this is another site which is partner with Medium. So you can submit here your article through Medium as well. So here you can see the join us at Coffee Times, which is an article. So you have to read this in order to know the steps for publishing here. So if you are someone who likes to write about coffee shops and so on, it's really great if you become a partner here, a publisher, or sorry, a writer for this site. And here you can see that first you have to fill up a request form to write for Coffee Times. You will also be offered the option to subscribe to Coffee Times Substack to make use of our platform to build your email subscribers on Substack and so on. After filling up the form, you will be added to our writing Medium and Substack community within 48 hours with no question asked. So let's click on this form. Let's see how this looks like. Yeah, you have to give your email address, your name, your Medium ID, and so other questions, and then you will be able to publish here as well. If you go back here, you can see some other helpful articles like submission rules, shout outs, how to do it right, and meet our team members and so on. So I really suggest, if you if you love to write and want to earn money with it through Medium, then you should publish on other sites as well which are partner with Medium, because in this way you can be able to have more views more time spent on your articles, and this way more money for you. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.